Ciao Bellas! I'm taking you with me to one of the most beautiful train journeys in the world, ang Bernina Express route from Tirano, Italy all the way to St. Moritz, Switzerland. Kung mahilig ka sa scenic travel, mountain lakes, at slow travel moments, this one's for you. This is the Tirano Station, a small but charming station located sa northern Italy. Malapit na to sa Swiss border. Hindi siya malaking station pero very organized, very European ang vibe. May mga cafes nearby, napakaraming tourists with their luggages, cameras, at lahat excited for the same reason, this legendary train ride. Sa Tirana Station, mapapansin mo agad yung contrast ng cultures. Italy pa siya, pero ramdam mo na yung Swiss efficiency sa schedule at sistema ng train. This station is actually famous dahil dito nagsisimula ang Bernina Line, a UNESCO World Heritage Railway. Tirana to St. Moritz, the travel time is around 2 hours and 15 minutes. Pero trust me, you won't feel bored kasi kahit isang minuto. Walang tunnel-heavy sections, halos buong ride, puro views. Slow ang takbo ng train on purpose. Hindi ito para magmadali. This ride is meant to be enjoyed. Sa unang part ng journey, makikita mo muna yung Italian countryside, mga houses na stone-built, small villages, vineyards, at narrow roads. Ang lapit ng mga bahay sa Riles, parang dumadaan lang ng train sa gitna ng town. Makikita mo yung mga locals, minsan may magwe-wave pa. Super cozy na feeling, parang postcard na gumagalaw. This part feels warm, relaxed, very Italian until slowly mapapansin mo nagbabago na ang landscape. As we climb higher, the views start to shift. Mas nagiging dramatic ang mountains. Kahit nasa loob ka ng train, ramdam mo yung change ng atmosphere. This railway is an engineering masterpiece talaga. Walang cogwheel pero kaya nitong umakyat ng Alps using curves and loops. Look at the mountains and yung village dito malapit. Tsaka yung greeneries, napakaganda sa mata. Napakasarap tignan. Isa sa pinaka-famous dito is yung Borussia Circular Viaduct. Yung paikot na bridge na parang spiral. Eto na, makikita nyo ang tall arches. Gawa ito entirely of stone at dinisenyo noong early 1900s para tulungan ang mga train na umakyat sa matarik na bahagi ng bundok nang hindi gumagamit ng tunnels or sobrang steep na riles. Instead na dumiretso across the valley, umiikot ang track sa isang perfect circular spiral, isang full 360-degree loop bago mag-continue pataas. Habang slowly umiikot ang camera sa paligid ng Borussia Spiral Duct, mas mapapansin mo kung gaano ka-precise ang pagkakagawa ng bawat bato. Isipin mo, libo-libong stone blocks ang inayos mano-mano more than 100 years ago para makabuo ng isang perfectly balanced circular bridge na hanggang ngayon ay ginagamit pa rin ng mga tren. Makikita rin dito kung paano parang natural siyang nakablend sa landscape. Hindi siya overpowering kundi parang bahagi na talaga ng bundok at lambak. Sa bawat angle, nag-iiba ang itsura niya. Minsan parang elegant ring, minsan naman parang giant staircase na nakarap sa hillside. When you see it, mapapawaw ka na lang talaga. Imagine train on a bridge looping around with mountains and fields below. Super unreal! Habang dumadaan ang train, may bonus panoramic views ng Postchavo Valley. Makikita rito ang terrace fields, maliit na villages, at sa malayo ang snow-capped mountain peaks. Dahil sa slow curve ng Riles, mas may time ang mga passengers na i-appreciate hindi lang ang engineering ng bridge kundi pati na din ang natural beauty sa paligid. Diba? Super amazing! Just continue watching and let's enjoy the scenery. By the way, quick travel tips. Pwede kang magdala ng snacks at tubig sa train so you won't get hungry along the way. Especially since most tours from Milan start really early. So better na ready ka for the whole day. May CR din naman sa Bernina Express so you don't have to worry. And very importantly, make sure you bring your ID or passport with your visa because you'll be crossing the border between Italy and Switzerland. You may expect that there will be inspection while crossing the border. During my trip, luckily, wala namang nag-check, so dire-diretso lang kami and we arrived in St. Moritz right on time. Along the way, madadaanan ang Lago Bianco, isa sa pinakamagandang view sa Bernina route. Isang alpine lake siya na may super linaw at turquoise na tubig, tapos napapalibutan ng mountains. Makikita mo dito yung snow-capped mountain peaks during winter. At some point, di mo na mamamalayan nasa Switzerland ka na. The villages look different, mas organized, mas neat, parang toy town, wooden houses, flower boxes on windows, and everything looks perfectly placed. The train continues smoothly, parang dumudulas lang sa train. Walang stress, walang rush, just pure scenic travel. You don't need background music here. The view is the soundtrack. Habang papalapit na sa St. Moritz, sobrang ganda rin ng snowy views along the way. Makikita mo yung mga bundok na balot ng snow, pine trees na parang Christmas postcard, at white landscapes na feeling mo nasa winter fairy tale ka. Super tahimik, peaceful, at super relaxing ng vibe habang umaandar yung train. Marami rin palang mga stops habang bumabiyahe from Tirano to St. Moritz, pero super brief lang. Kaya it's advisable na huwag ka munang bumaba sa mga stops para hindi ka maiwan ng train. Wala talagang dull moment dito sa trip na ito kasi sobrang mabubusog ka sa ganda ng sceneries. Ito na yung peak ng Bernina Express route. Ang landscape puro snow, white mountains na parang blanket, icy lakes na kumikislap sa sunlight, at mga pine trees na balot ng snow. Para kang nasa winter wonderland. Grabe yung vibe, parang postcard na buhay. Every turn ng train, may bagong view na mapapawaw ka talaga. Kaya make sure na ready ka with your camera or just enjoy the view. And finally, St. Moritz. Pagbaba mo pa lang ng train, ramdam mo na agad na this is a luxury alpine town. Malinis, elegant, and surrounded by mountains. This is not just a ski destination, it's a lifestyle. Sa town center ng St. Moritz, makikita mo yung mix ng nature and luxury. Designer shops, cozy cafes, chocolate stores, and beautiful streets na perfect lakaran. May lake nearby where people walk, take photos, or just sit and enjoy the view. Tahimik pero sosyal, relaxed pero classy. After a journey full of mountains, bridges, and lakes, this feels like the perfect ending. From Tirano to St. Moritz, hindi lang siya train ride, it's an experience. A reminder na sometimes the journey really is the destination. Ayun lang, ciao!